Hey there, squishy pals. Gather round because it's time to get our bounce on. I'm Red Slime, and I'm here to show you how to shake it like a gelatinous superstar. First up, we've got the Bounce-a-roo. Just watch me leap. Whoa, careful there, Blue Slime. I know you're all chill and cool, but don't get too low or you might just miss the best part. And Green Slime, spinning like that, you're making me dizzy. Just don't spin off into orbit, okay? Now, Yellow Slime, hit us with a joke while we dance. Why did the slime fail at dancing? Ha! Because it couldn't stick to the rhythm. Classic. All right, everyone, let's wrap this up with a grand finale. Bounce higher, slide smoother, and let's light up this dance floor like a rainbow. Remember, it's all about fun, not perfection. So what's your favorite slime move? Let's keep bouncing and laughing together.
One of them niggas when I kill 'em called a reverend.